Hello. Oh, 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 oh. What's up, everybody? It is Nile Science. Don't mind the thing in the background. I really don't care. I am just tracking Jobless on Cristobal. Oh my god. Well, we are going to be tracking Cristobal until the 10 o'clock advisory. So, they're going to be with me for about 2 hours. Directly 2 hours. But we're not going to be there for 2 hours. We're not going to be here for 2 hours. So, yeah. One second. Get screwed. Get screwed. Has something to be proud of. Honestly, don't know what we're doing, but well, this really doesn't matter. But you'll probably already know the last advisory at 7 p.m. was Chopless on Cristobal, has 50 mile per hour winds sustained. It is 20 miles away from Cucutan, Mexico, and it is onshore. And its track Friday, it's supposed to start moving northward with 35 mile per hour sustained winds. Saturday will be in the middle of the Gulf. Sunday we will be on the Gulf Coast in Mississippi. And then Monday we will be, as of right now, we will be in Louisiana. So Mississippi and Louisiana are getting impacted so far. But even though you're not in the cone, does not mean you're not gonna get impacted. Florida, Miami, you will get impacted some way or somehow. It doesn't matter if it goes west. It doesn't matter if it goes east. You will be impacted in some way. It doesn't matter regardless if it's rain, farts, wind, storm surge, but still, it's a big system, and it will be about a couple mile per hour winds away from Category 1 hurricane. So this is gonna be it's looking like a pretty strong tropical storm. So really doesn't matter. Even Minneapolis, you will get impacted. If it's rain, wind, you will get impacted. Not when it makes a landfall, no. When it's like a tropical depression heading up there. You will get impacted. So listen up, everybody. Texas, all the Gulf Coast states. Listen. Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia, Georgia, Alabama. Stay aware. See you in another video, and this has been the 7 o'clock advisory for Tropical Storm Cristobal. Peace.